Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. COVID-19, we did not have a very good St. Patty's Day, but we had a great corned beef and cabbage St. Patty's Day meal. And now we have leftovers. So, using this time that I have, I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful and delicious homemade corned beef hash recipe. We're going to make the potato part of the corned beef hash. Make large squares, put it in a bowl, and then I'll show you what we're going to do next. Do not peel your potatoes. Alright, now that I have this stuff right here, I'm going to put some water in it. I'm going to put it in the waver. I'm going to blanch the potatoes. Blanch. So basically, for mine, I'm going to make these fresh vegetables soft. Start, it'll go for about 4 minutes. Put a fork in them. When they're soft, they're ready to go. We're going to cut up some garlic. This is where you cut yourself usually. So this is how I do it. Put my hand right here. Good. I'll walk that over to the cast iron skillet. Okay. I'm going to put some bacon grease on here. Save my grease from making bacon. Just take a spoonful and put it right there. Waiting for the potatoes to finish blanching. I put it in fresh vegetable soft. It was in for about 4 minutes. I put it in for another 4 minutes because I stuck it with a fork and it wasn't nice and soft. Should be nice and soft. Oh, look at that. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is pour that out. Scrape the bowl. Easy cheesy. Lemon squeezy. Fog up my glasses because it's really hot and really steamy. Okay, that's how you like stuff, hot and steamy. Now what I'm going to do is turn on my cast iron. I'll turn it on kind of hot in the beginning because I want to get some heat in it real quick. I'm going to take the heat down a little bit. I'm going to grab that spatula. Now, going to brown the garlic. Smell that garlic. Now I'm going to add the potatoes. This is why a huge cast iron pan is such a great idea. Rosemary. I like to be liberal because it's on potatoes. Plus the corned beef, it's really going to brighten up the flavor, and I want to make sure that the rosemary doesn't get taken over. Salt, pepper, more than you think. Even if you don't like pepper, pepper adds a lot. So even if you think, no, I don't want pepper, it's too much, it's too spicy. Yeah. My kids don't like it either. I sneak it in all the time. We want these potatoes to get a nice brown on them, and you can see there's a little sear on that one. Just every couple minutes I'm going to stir until I get it down to a really nice consistency that I like, and then I'll show you the next step. Rock. Alright, so now what I did is I just took the corned beef, cut it up into little pieces, put it in the middle, of my pan. Move my potatoes off to the side. It's kind of in the middle of the pan. Just warming it up. You want it kind of shredded. So as you stir it, just kind of start the shredding process. Okay. Now, a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Put the lid right on. Now I'm going to go over my corned beef. I increase the temperature a little bit because I would like to get this corned beef kind of cooked down a little bit and seared. Now that this is done, we're just going to mix it up. Turn it off. Mix the potatoes right into it. Put that right there. Put the eggs right up on top. So you're going to break the egg yolks, and that will be your gravy.